guys, today I'm doing a video on my top 10, I guess, favorite actors and voice actors. So, first of all, the 10th place, I don't know how to say it, I just generally like movies and TV shows, but I don't have a favorite actor most of the time. Except for lately. Lately I got a favorite actor and decided to do a top 10. But then I realized while making this list, it's just so impossible to make. Because, I like that guy, but I probably won't see another show with him. And it's most of the time based on the favorite characters. Understand? 10th place goes to... I don't know, because I love a lot of actors and voice actors like Meryl Streep and the girl that played Sheila in this robot, but I forgot her name. The guy that played Marshall Erickson in How I Met Your Mother, but I forgot his name. The guy that's voiced Yukine in Origami. The guy that was the voice actor of Iceland from Italia. I loved Italy, that's how I know. I love a fucking lot of voice actors and actors, and it was hard to make a fucking top 10 list, so, yeah. The rest of the actors and actresses I love, or just all the actors, 10th place. 9th place goes to... Rachel. Big Miyaga. You probably know where I know him from. Where I know him from. I know him as Grease from Italia. Then I watched Fullmetal Alchemist, and then I knew him because of Xbox. My favorite role will probably stay Grease, because I kind of want to cosplay him, so these are the two characters I know him from. So that's Grease. And this outfit. The next one is an actor you probably don't know, and I'm okay with it, because people always... No, wait, I got another one. This is also a voice actor. This is George. I know him from Russia and Italia. I look like Russia too, that's fucking crazy, he's a great actor. Further than Russia, I don't think I know him from somewhere, maybe. No, from Russia. I don't think I know it from another anime or something. Is he in Russia? I don't think I know him from somewhere else. So, yeah. He's a great actor, voice actor. Adore him. The next one is, but I don't really see a lot of anime with him. I remember seeing Assassination Classroom before, no, I'm not watching this, because it's too fucking long. Next one is an actor you probably fucking don't know. You can hate me already for it. This is an actor that I know from North and South. I adored him in North and South. I was like, oh god, he's awesome. Sadly, I don't see him in a lot of movies and TV shows, but he's awesome, and also the fact that he married his on-screen wife in North and South, Wendy Kilburn, is just awesome. They were married as George and Constance, and then in real life. I just love it, and he's a great actor. icon, he has changed a lot. You can see that. But, you know, next one is, you can hate me already for it. The ones that don't know him, good job, because this guy is definitely well known. I know him as Barney Stinson from How I Met Your Mother, but I saw some episodes of Sticky Houser and I even saw the Smurf movie, and he's just a great actor. I think being part of the LGBT community myself, as non-binary, makes me even love him more, because come on, he's gay, he married his beloved, so yeah. Also, that guy played in How I Met Your Mother. I'm glad for them that they adopt twins. You know, everybody deserves to be happy. Good job. And if you don't know fucking Barney, that's Barney. I recently bought a shirt that says, "It's gonna be legend, wait for it." And if you like those, I hope you're not lactose intolerant, because the second word of the word is dairy. Legendary! Love it. I also now realize that I forgot the guy, so he's gonna be the honorable mention. The next one is this guy. When I first saw him, I was like, oh, he's around 30 or something. Now I find out he's almost 50. God damn it. First of all, I think personally he's a great actor. Voice actor. I know him as first knew him from Denmark from Italia, but then later I watched a couple of episodes of an anime with demons and shit, but I didn't finish it because I thought it was a little too dark. Maybe I'll find something. I can't think of the name. Maybe I can find it somewhere. Yeah, well, I'll fucking look for it. Found it. It was Devil Survivor Studio Animation. I watched a couple of episodes that he plays Itachi. I also recognized the name Danganronpa because I saw a couple of episodes, but I didn't. You know, my favorite character died in episode 4 or 5. So, I'm not going to say which one because, you know, spoilers. Also, I watched a couple of episodes of Faye and Danganronpa. Danganronpa, he plays Honokuna. Just so it's there somewhere. Here we go. Honokuna. He also played Nagisa, so a couple of episodes. So yeah, great actor. But my favorite role of him is not Denmark. It's somebody else. Also, this Denmark. If you don't know him, just go down look it up. Well, computer ones too. So, my favorite role of him is actually another guy from anime I recently saw, and now I saw it in like 2 days. I was like, holy shit, this has shit been all my life because it's great. My computer doesn't want to fucking look it up, so I'm gonna look it up here. But my computer just wants to fucking look it up. So this is Denmark from Italia, but my favorite role of him, I'll say this something, is this guy, Shion. I fucking adore that character. He's so sweet and everything has been go through. I didn't know it was yaoi anime. You know, Yen Izumi deserves to be happy. Come on. Love those two. Ship to the left. Ship those two to the left. Next one is the voice actor. I didn't type the right name on it. I remember him from also the other Elric brother and Cypress. I first saw him as Cypress and I thought, great actor. And then I fucking saw FMA and like, okay, he's great. My favorite character is probably Cypress because Cypress is such a fucking awesome character. Trying to bring up his friends as possible siblings. He's just great. Also, he and Egypt are fucking adorable together as a couple. I ship them. The next one is a guy you probably think was gonna be number one. Yep! Doug Brown from Back to the fucking Future. Honestly, I adore this actor, but for some reason, I didn't see a lot of other movies he's in. He's great though, but nah, just not my cup of tea. I adore him, but there are two people more that I love more than him as an actor. The next one is, yep, this guy. If you don't know him, he played also his birthday. So damn. He played Armin in Attack on Titan, and my favorite character in Italia for a long time, Lithuania. I reckon I know him from Lithuania, but he's great as Armin too, and he played a couple of other roles. My favorite I can choose, so I'm just gonna look them up both for you. Okay. Voila, Lithuania. And then, Armin. So I love them both, even though I haven't watched the new season of it. Sorry. The honorable mention though is Dwight Schultz. If I can write it. This guy. You probably don't know him. He played Murdoch in the original A-Team. Holy Matt Murdoch. He's known for his roles. I grew up with the A-Team. My mom loved the A-Team, and I saw the movie a lot of times, even though I hate that movie so bad. But then I always wanted to watch original A-Team, and then my mom was just flipping through channels. I was like, come and look here. But fuck the original A-Team. Hey, Murdoch is definitely my favorite character of the A-Team. And just, this guy is awesome. Thank you for fucking making me laugh at Murdoch and cringe at the same time. My favorite actor is, before I'm gonna look it up, my favorite actor, before you say, I jumped onto the bandwagon, I know him from when I was 6-7 years old. Asfar Ragmara. At first I was kinda scared of him, but then I decided to fucking love his character. Because go on, he was sweet. And then I saw Twilight and willingly recognized him. And just so much more. Recently started watching the service like, oh fuck, this guy's great. And then Bohemian Rhapsody, I just saw it for him. I wasn't even a Queen fan. He's a great actor. So Smart off. My favorite actor. Probably for a long time though. Goodbye.